All right, welcome back. Johnny Turbo, you know who it is. Still working on the car, getting some things done. One kind of maintenance thing that I should have done a long time ago before I got pulled over and they told me to fix it. All right, luckily they let me go. It's not usually the case. And then second, the thing that I've kind of always wanted, probably almost when I bought the car, 15 or so years ago, I remember seeing this thing and thought it was really cool, but never really wanted to spend the $100 or so to get it. Now I, was able to grab it, and we're gonna get it installed. So let's get after it. Finally, some lights for the license plate. If you got an 05 Forester, they're bulb size 168. Now, I haven't had very good luck with the LED bulbs, but I'm gonna try it again. I'm a sucker for punishment. Here's the other one that came out. This is a crappy one. I don't know where I got that one. I'm gonna do something I never do. Oh, it gets so much darker in here. I'm gonna do something I never do, and that's check the bulbs before I put it all back together. Because guarantee I'm gonna fix it, put it back in, something's not gonna work. So I just make sure they're all good. I don't know about your state, but in my state, if you don't have these little lights working, and Mr. Policeman feels like he wants to just give you a little hassle, take a look at your car, he'll pull you over for these. He'll pull your butt over. All right, and now we get to do something which I think is pretty cool. We'll see. Let's check it out. Hiya, right out of the box, carbon fiber exhaust shield. Let's go. Oh, that fits. That looks minty fresh. All right. First we gotta do. When I had a crappy fitting eBay exhaust that a shop put on, didn't tell me that it was actually touching the bumper. You can see right here, it melted the bumper, and there's some grooves left over from where the hot exhaust was touching it. So let's just I just gotta file that out of the way. Going it this way. Ooh, not gonna lie, that fits pretty minty fresh right there. Let me see. Once I suck these down, is it sitting flat? Yeah, I think it does sit pretty. I don't think any of this stuff gets in the way. Like I said, this is like, it's not expensive. It's $100, I get it. Maybe a little bit more. But it's like, when your car's not in the greatest of shape, spending $100 on something that doesn't really do that much is kind of a waste. I'd rather spend it on performance parts or something else, new tie rod, something, I don't know. But now that most of that stuff is done, we can splurge a little, and now we got the paint. We want to add something that's pretty cool. I feel like it's like right there. There's this sweet spot. I will say now though, with this on, I noticed a little more that the exhaust is not perfectly centered in the cutout of the exhaust, but I mean, listen, it is what it is. But now I notice. Right, because that's where it's gonna be. Yeah, that's where it is. Make sure they're all seated in. Listen, rivets are pretty easy. You just want to make sure it's done right, because I know once you squeeze it and tighten them in, that's it. You can get them out, but it's a bitch. What the heck? Uh-oh. Houston, we have a problem. Okay, I guess you gotta be a little bit careful. Oh, this was in the way. Looks like it broke already in there. That sucks. Alright, I don't know what to do there. Hell yeah. Yeah, that looks sick. I'll get that rivet, we'll cover that up, it'll be fine. Alright, well I did mess up that one rivet, but Subtle Solutions did give me one extra one I just found, so we'll plop that in there. Oh, this is, now I'm officially happy. Okay, now I don't have to mess around and buy more. We got one. Oh, let's go, perfect. Yes! Oh, that looks mint. A tiny little scratcher, but you know what? Oh, I like it. Ah, can you see the happiness on my face now? Ah, I like it when stuff works out, and it looks cool. And listen, this is just something I've wanted for a long time, literally probably over 10 years. I know it seems ridiculous, but it's just something I thought it was cool. I just never bought it because for $100 I'll buy, you know, another strut tower bar or anything else, but an exhaust cover, a carbon fiber exhaust piece. But now that I got all the other stuff, and this is looking, I'm digging this thing, dude. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Okay, fits perfect up under there. That looks cool, my friends. All right, and with that, we can finish this one out. Okay, we got the license plate lights on. Ah, I don't see my license plate. We got the license plate lights on. We got the carbon fiber exhaust shield on there, a little bumper shield, and we're good to go. I love it when stuff works out, even when it's something small. And now that's officially it for today. All right. So check me out. Plenty of other things I'm gonna do in this car. Check out the channel. Please subscribe. I'm a tiny guy, and I want to grow. I want you. We got to grow together. Okay. So let's do it, and let's keep enjoying this thing we call YouTube, my friends. I love when it works. Let's go. All right, thanks guys. Subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, peace.
I've got bruised souls, 'cause I'm way grown, trying to find my way back home.